I'm Dr. Srijata Datta, Principal of Olivia Enlightened English School. Today, it gives me an immense pleasure to declare the inauguration of STEAM Lab in our school. I think our STEAM Lab is one of its kind in the total North Bengal region. It instills the skills of problem solving, critical thinking and innovation in our students. It will enhance the students' creativity. To target the skills of 21st century, the STEAM Lab is mostly essential. So I think that all the schools should have a STEAM Lab.
I am Sutapa Nandi, Director, Olivia Enlightened English School. Leonardo da Vinci once stated, "Study the science of art, study the art of science." In an ever-changing, increasingly complex world, it's more important than ever that our nation's youth are prepared to bring knowledge and skills to solve problems. STEAM is an innovative pedagogical approach that Olivia Enlightened English School is approaching towards. Many more such innovative pedagogical approaches are laid forward. We will look forward to such innovative pedagogical approach to make the teaching learning process a joyful experience for our children.
STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts and Mathematics. It is a really distinct and innovative idea that has been initiated in our school. It is a one-of-a-kind laboratory which helps us in getting insights of every subject and every topic. It helps in grabbing the attention and interest of every student towards studying and gives us a new outlook towards the world. It gives us the opportunity to study modern technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, 3D printing and etc. Overall, so far it has been really interesting and helpful for all the students.
I am here to introduce you about our new STEAM lab. Here we learn different technology based on different streams. The best part I liked was the IoT, that is the Internet of Things, where I learned about IoT of agriculture, where we can find the temperature, humidity of the plant. Then I learned the IoT of bulb, where we can connect bulb with our phones and use it without switching on and off. I am very glad to have a STEAM lab in my school. It is the best way to connect education with our daily lives. Then I learned about the drone, how to control it, how to fly the drone.
And we were told about what is STEAM by the mentors of Hidden Lab. The teachers taught us about what is IoT, that is Internet of Things, and about its various applications, like we can use it in our kitchens to save hazardous happenings around us.